Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be cooking up a little mixed media cover art. These are like my favorite covers to do. And yeah, today we're going to be using my pack, my mixed media pack. And this kind of just allows you to create that whole mixed media look without actually having to print, your different elements out multiple times. But yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so for this cover, I'm actually going to be, working with Lil Uzi here. I just have all these pictures that I'm going to, kind of work with. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and actually upscale these because these are from Last.fm. And if you guys don't know, Last.fm actually just, compresses it down to like it's like 500 pixels, I think. I'm going to work with this. This is really from his Barter 6. Maybe I'll make this a Barter 6 like concept, but I'm pretty sure it's scrapped, so. But I know he's dropping EA2. So shit, we might do some like UFO shit. So yeah, you guys can literally see like the difference between them. So this is the upscaled version. Like this is why I advocate for so much, because look at the difference, bro. There's people who cook up with this, bro. Like you can't do that. Like you see how like that shit is crazy. That was crazy. So the idea I have for this is to just make it black and white. Like I might just make both of these black and white and have the red bandana kind of stand out. And then that could be like the main focus of the whole cover. I think that shit would look fire. Oh, this shit just doesn't want to work. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm recording or some shit. It just doesn't want to work. Yeah. So I think this is a really good composition actually, like very accidental, but shit. Yeah, I think this would be nice. Maybe like there. Maybe like rotate him a bit. Boom, okay. So gradient map, we're gonna do overlay first, just to see. Boom. Alright. Now we're gonna do a black and white. And what I'm gonna do is I am going to just get a black brush here, and I'm just gonna feather it out just so it's not like crazy. And I'm just gonna feather it. Let me change my brush settings though, because I got space in the. So yeah, I'm just gonna color in the bandana and whatever else. I'm just do some curves. Just try and get really like this is a really nice look right here. Then we can bring this up, bring the brightness up a little bit, and we can also get a brightness contrast. Bring that up. Contrast up a bit as well, and now looking something like this. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and go into my mixed media pack. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I've hella different, like got 80 items in this. Alright, so we got rips, textures, different like elements and shit. I am coming out with a new update very soon. Hopefully next month I'll have it done. And yeah, it's gonna be like over 200 shit in this. Way over that. But for now, this is what we got. All this shit. And yeah, so I'm just gonna start off with some paper rips. Just bring them around the place. And what you want to do as well is you want to make sure they're underneath. You want to make sure they're underneath your adjustments, just so it looks better. It just blends in a bit more. So I'm gonna put that right there. And yeah, we'll just keep that there. We'll also bring one up as well. So I'll flip that vertical, kind of do this, and put there. Alright, so right here we have a little issue here. We have a little pink. Alright, so I'm just gonna color it in with, color that shit in. And then I'll put that to hue. and yeah, that fixes it right there. And here too. Alright. So this is like a clean ass cover is like I'm telling you guys, this hue dominant kind of effect is fucking crazy. Like this could be a cover in itself. Like we're not even done. But yeah, I'm just gonna expand this too. I really like this image. I think this is a really tough image for this kind of effect with the crowd. And I'm also just gonna get a hue and saturation and just bring the lightness down, just so it looks like that. Maybe even more. I might actually put blur on it too, just to add some depth, like that. Alright. So now I'm going to get some more paper rips, and what I want to do is I kind of want to create like a paper rip effect around him, just so it looks like he's ripped out, if that makes any sense. Some shit like that, some shit like that. And that's only for one fucking, that's only for one little bit, bro. I'm not even gonna like do anything crazy for the other subject. Let's see, what could I do? Do some shit like that. Maybe like a difference, like that. Oh, that might be nice. And then just like flip that, I guess. Like that. Just like an X. Yeah. Fuck with that. But yeah, we're gonna get some textures in here. I'm gonna just pick a random one, like maybe this one. Would be cool, would be cool. Like you can see, you can get crazy ass effects, bro. I feel like there's a bit too much color. Maybe if we put that black and white. And then we do a little layer mask. Kinda fuck with that shit. Makes it look like it's like a skull. Oh yeah. Sipping hard. Gonna me. Some shit. I'm also like, I want to do a little black and white, but oh, bringing the vibrant sound makes it like pop a little bit. But right now I'm gonna just go ahead and get some textures in. Yeah, this is hard as fuck. This is hard. Fucking with this. I'm also got like a black paper kind of texture, and we're gonna kind of look for the outside edges. That's kind of what it wants. We could maybe like put it here. Bring the fill down a bit. like that. Boom. So I have other shit in here. So I even got Photoshop little texture in here. Like, I don't know, it's just something random, but try this shit out. Maybe for like the edges. You could change this to even like red. I think this shit's dope as fuck. Last thing I'm gonna add is just a print advisory. So down the bottom of my shit. So just add the print advisory. Usually kind of in the middle or the corners. It's like the most common shit, most common placement. Also, if you guys are wondering how you actually figure out like where the middle of your shit is, you know, you want to go ahead, press Control R, and the rulers will pop up. And then if you drag out the fucking vertical one, and you drag it, it will snap to the middle, and it will say 1500, or whatever your document size is, like whatever that is in half. And yeah. So I like to keep it kind of small. Also, I'm gonna bring this all the way up, just so it's kind of standing out a little bit. Yeah, that's basically the whole motherfucking thing. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys do leave a like, subscribe. If you guys do want to go ahead and download this pack, I'll leave a link down below. And yeah, peace.